Hi there, this is Hunter. I'm an online English tutor and I'm here to give you some tips on how to improve your English. So, I'm sure you're familiar with the word off and how you can use it to talk about turning things off like the lights. But the word off can be used in all sorts of different ways. The most simple way to use off is to simply talk about turning things on and off like this. I turn off the lights, I turn off my phone, and I turn off my TV. Or let's say that you're going somewhere nice and expensive for dinner, but something tastes wrong about the food. Then you may say something like, there's something off about my steak. You can also use it to talk about someone not doing their very best. Maybe you're watching a baseball game and you're noticing that the batter is off his game today. Also, if you're feeling just a little bit tired and you decide to take a nap, you can just say, I'm sorry, I dozed off for a moment. Don't worry, it happens to all of us. And maybe you know a friend who grows vegetables that they like to eat. In that case, you can say they are living off the land. When I see a nice big pizza, I will cut off a slice for myself. Also, if someone asks me, hey, where did you get all that money from? I might say, I borrowed it off a friend. And also, if someone asks me, hey, where did you make your money? I can say, I made it off some investments. Also, if you're driving your car or riding your bike away from the roads, you'll be going off-road. Let's hope you've got the wheels for that. Anyways, that'll be it. If you have any suggestions, please let me know down in the comments below, and have a good day. When learning English, there are many things you will have to learn: vocabulary, phonics, grammar, etc. The fastest way to learn these things would be through conversation. Through conversation, you can quickly grasp the idea of words and how to better use them. I am always happy to listen to what you have to say. If you are interested in booking a lesson, please feel free to DM me. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.